Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to reach board 5 in Monopoly Go. Well, reaching board 5 in Monopoly Go involves strategic gameplay and efficient use of resources. Here's what you're going to do. Familiarize yourself with the layout and mechanics of the game board. Prioritize collecting coins early to afford essential upgrades and purchases. Start by completing easier quests to earn coins and experience points or XP. Invest in dice roll upgrades early to move more spaces and collect rewards faster. Select routes that lead to high reward spaces or properties to maximize earnings. Acquire and use stickers that increase coin earnings from dice rolls. Invest in properties strategically to maximize rent earnings. Complete daily challenges to earn additional rewards and accelerate progress. Activate boosters during gameplay to enhance earnings and movement capabilities. Strategize to avoid landing in jail, which can delay progress significantly. Invest coins in upgrading properties to increase rent and overall earnings. Engage in trades with other players to acquire needed properties or stickers. Prioritize completing property sets to unlock set bonuses and enhance earnings. Participate in communities to benefit from group activities and bonuses. Engage in special events or tournaments that offer increased rewards for advancement. Strategize several moves ahead to optimize dice rolls and maximize earnings. Utilize cards or stickers with special abilities that enhance gameplay advantages. Monitor and manage coins and stickers effectively to sustain progress. Keep informed about the game updates and new features that can offer strategic advantages. Utilize all available features such as minigames or bonus rounds for extra rewards. Exchange gifts with friends or other players for additional bonuses and rewards. Assist fellow players with trades or tasks to earn reciprocal benefits and accelerate progress. And that's how to reach board 5 in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!